Here we have a beautifully engraved wooden box with Eric and Lisa's name and wedding date. But it's not just a wooden box. Inside holds something timeless. A pocket watch. But what makes this watch special is at the very moment you shared your first kiss as husband and wife, I stopped this watch. So at 2:20 on the 25th of September 2024, this watch was stopped. Allowing us to capture the beautiful instant as though we were able to stop time. From this moment on, whenever life presents challenges or uncertainties, open this box, look at this watch, and remember how you felt in that very moment when time stood still. This watch now holds that instant, capturing the love, the excitement, the joy of that perfect moment when two souls became one.